Hi, I'm Shannon, and in this video we'll go through the process of starting a free trial with SquareKicker. The good news is it's simple and no credit card is required to begin. Let's jump in so you can start customizing your Squarespace website using all of SquareKicker's design and animation tools. To begin, create a SquareKicker account in your dashboard. You can start a free trial or jump straight into a paid plan. The next step is to click Add Website. You can use SquareKicker in conjunction with the Squarespace free trial, but you will need to upgrade at the end of your free trial for your saved SquareKicker designs to remain. Once you've connected to a Squarespace site, you can choose a pricing plan. Today, we'll activate a 14-day free trial and connect to Squarespace. SquareKicker requires a Squarespace 7.1 website on a business plan or higher. You can start a free trial on as many websites as you like. On a SquareKicker free trial, you will have access to all premium features, including advanced tools. This means you can try some of our most popular animation tools, like scroll effects, sticky, and horizontal scroll. Now you know everything you need to know to start your free trial today and take your Squarespace website to the next level. When you're ready to upgrade, watch the next video in this series to help you choose the right pricing plan. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to see what you create.